Have you ever taken a bite of a McDonald's hamburger and wondered how this tasty treat makes it into fast food restaurants around the world? In the 1950s, a man named Ray Kroc revolutionized the restaurant industry with his invention of the fast food restaurant. Kroc, a salesperson for a company that sold milkshake mixers, was inspired by the success of a small burger restaurant in California called McDonald's. Kroc was impressed by the restaurant's efficient system for making hamburgers and saw the potential for a chain of fast food restaurants. He approached the owners, Dick and Mac McDonald, with his idea, and eventually bought the rights to the McDonald's name and system. Kroc set out to expand the McDonald's brand and revolutionize the way hamburgers were made and sold. He focused on streamlining the production process to make hamburgers faster and more efficiently. We take you inside the fast food world to show you how McDonald's hamburgers are made. The cows used to produce the beef for McDonald's hamburgers are raised on farms across the United States. The cattle are typically fed a diet of grains and hay, which helps to produce high-quality, lean beef. The diet is carefully balanced to provide the cows with the nutrients they need to grow and produce healthy meat. The cows are also given regular checkups by veterinarians to ensure their health and well-being. The vets check for any signs of illness or disease, as well as any issues with the cow's overall health and nutrition. The cows are provided with a clean and comfortable environment to live in, with access to clean water, fresh air, and plenty of space to move around. This helps to ensure that the cows are healthy and happy, which in turn produces high-quality beef. By providing the cows with a nutritious diet and regular checkups, McDonald's is able to produce high-quality, lean beef that is used in their hamburgers. Once the cows reach the appropriate weight and age, they are transported to a processing plant. At the plant, the cows are inspected by a veterinarian to ensure they are fit for consumption. The inspection includes checks of any signs of illness or disease, as well as measures of the quality and safety of the meat. Once the cows pass the inspection at the processing plant, they are humanely slaughtered using methods that are designed to minimize stress and discomfort. The beef is carefully cut into small, uniform pieces to ensure that the hamburger meat is of consistent quality and texture. This is an important step in the process as the quality of the meat has a significant impact on the taste and overall quality of the hamburgers. After the beef is processed, it is then sent to a McDonald's supplier, where it's ground into hamburger meat. The hamburger meat is ground, then mixed with any additional ingredients that are used in the hamburgers, such as salt and seasonings. The mixture is carefully blended to ensure a consistent flavor throughout. Then it is formed into patties and frozen to maintain its freshness. The frozen patties are packaged in specialized containers that are designed to keep the meat fresh and safe during transportation. The containers used to transport frozen McDonald's patties are designed to maintain a consistent temperature, typically around 0 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 18 degrees Celsius, which is cold enough to keep the meat fresh and safe for extended periods of time. These containers are typically made of insulated materials that help to prevent heat transfer and maintain the low temperature of the patties, and are sealed to prevent contamination and keep the patties fresh until they reach their destination. The patties are then shipped to McDonald's restaurants across the country using a variety of methods, such as trucks, trains, and airplanes. The McDonald's kitchen is designed to be efficient and effective in producing a large volume of food quickly and consistently. The kitchen typically has separate areas for food preparation, cooking, and assembly, with each area being equipped with necessary tools and equipment. The food preparation area is where ingredients are prepared for cooking. This might involve tasks such as chopping vegetables, seasoning, and marinating meat, and mixing sauces and condiments as well. The cooking area is where the food is actually prepared, using equipment such as grills, fryers, and ovens. This area is typically equipped with ventilation systems to remove excess heat and smoke, and may also have specialized equipment for cooking specific menu items, such as the machines used to make McDonald's famous French fries. The assembly area is where the finished food items are put together and prepared for serving. This might involve tasks such as putting together burgers and sandwiches, adding condiments and toppings, and packaging the food for delivery or takeout. The kitchen is typically managed by a team of chefs and kitchen staff who are responsible for coordinating the various tasks and ensuring that food is prepared and served according to McDonald's standards. The kitchen is also designed to be easy to clean and maintain, with clear guidelines for food safety and sanitation. The drive-thru at McDonald's is a system that allows customers to place and receive their food orders without leaving their vehicles. Customers can place their orders using a speaker system located at the drive-thru entrance, and pay for their orders using a payment kiosk. Once the order is placed, it is sent to the kitchen where the food is prepared and assembled. Let's see how that hamburger you ordered actually gets prepared. When the patties arrive at the McDonald's restaurant, they are carefully unloaded and stored in a refrigerated area until they are ready to be cooked. The patties are then thawed and cooked on a griddle at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 90 seconds on each side. Workers prepare burgers using a variety of tools and equipment designed to be efficient and effective. In the preparation area, workers use knives and cutting boards to slice vegetables and prep other ingredients. In the cooking area, burgers are typically cooked on a large grill, which is equipped with heat controls and a system for flipping the burgers. Workers use spatulas and other tools to move the burgers around on the grill and ensure that they are cooked evenly. Once the burgers are cooked, they are assembled into individual orders and placed in containers or wrappers for serving. Workers use tongs, spatulas, and other tools to handle the burgers and other ingredients, and may use a digital order system to keep track of individual orders and ensure that they are prepared and served accurately. Toppings like ketchup and mustard are dispensed from large containers or squeeze bottles, which are designed to dispense a specific amount of condiment with each squeeze or spoonful, ensuring the burgers are assembled consistently and accurately each time a customer orders one. When the order is ready, it's handed off to a front-of-the-house staff member who brings the food to the drive-thru window for the customer to pick up. The drive-thru is typically managed by a team of front-of-house staff, who are responsible for taking orders, preparing the food, and serving it to customers at the drive-thru window. The drive-thru is designed to be efficient and effective, with clear communication and coordination between the kitchen and front-of-house staff to ensure that orders are prepared and served quickly and accurately. And that's how McDonald's hamburgers are made, from farm to table.